The East Coast Road (ECR) is a scenic coastal highway stretching approximately 777 kilometers from Chennai to Kanyakumari, traversing key towns such as Puducherry, Cuddalore, Nagapattinam, Tuticorin, and Ramanathapuram. Originally designed as a two-lane road, this route is gradually being transformed into a four-lane arterial road to significantly improve connectivity along the eastern coast of Tamil Nadu. This includes national highway segments, state highways, and upgraded portions under various implementing agencies, including the State Highways Department, NHAI, and TNRDC. The four-laning initiative is being executed in multiple phases, covering different stretches of the route. In the southernmost section between Thiruvanmiyur, Chennai, and Mamallapuram, much of the four-lane upgrade has already been completed, and this success has paved the way for further expansion along the coastal corridor. The next major focus shifts to the Mamallapuram to Marikkanam, 31 kilometers segment and further from Marikkanam to Puducherry. The entire stretch from Chennai to Nagapattinam, around 254 kilometers, is targeted for conversion into four lanes, with earlier packages already underway or nearing completion. As of August 2025, approximately 98 kilometers of this stretch, specifically the Thiruvanmiyur to Mamallapuram and Puducherry to Sattanathapuram, 57 kilometers segments, have been successfully widened to four lanes. The remainder, including Mahabalipuram to Marikkanam, 62 kilometers, and Sattanathapuram to Nagapattinam, 56 kilometers, is actively under construction and targeted for completion by the end of 2026. The Marikkanam-Puducherry, 46 kilometers, section has received a fresh approval from the central government at an estimated cost of 2,157 Indian rupees crore, including service roads on both sides. Tendering for this package is expected to begin shortly. In the region between Veluppuram and Karaikal, work has also intensified. Specifically, the Veluppuram-Chidambaram stretch, forming part of the broader corridor on NH32, has seen nearly 65% physical progress. The Mayiladuthurai-Karaikal section is accelerating, with the aim of completion as early as July 2024. Meanwhile, closer to the city, the heavily trafficked Thiruvanmiyur-Akkarai stretch, 8.8 kilometers, is being upgraded to 6 lanes, along with construction of stormwater drains and shifting of utilities. This phase is expected to wrap up by April 2025. Simultaneously, a plan for an elevated corridor spanning Thiruvanmiyur to Uthandi, roughly 15 kilometers, is under technical study, with a proposed timeline of 18 months once launched. This elevated road would feature on- and off-ramps at key junctions and aim to reduce travel time along the congested stretch to just 20 minutes. Despite forward movement, the project has faced notable hurdles. Land acquisition delays, especially in areas like Thiruvanmiyur, Kottivakkam, and Sholinganallur, have slowed progress. As of mid-2024, about 85% of land had been acquired in these zones, while in Thiruvanmiyur itself, only around 50% acquisition was complete, with documentation issues pending resolution. Contributing factors include legal disputes, high compensation demands, relocation mandates, and pending approvals for utilities. In addition, environmental constraints and clearance delays, particularly for bridges and alignment modifications, have impacted work in stretches like Mahabalipuram-Marikkanam and Sattanathapuram-Nagapattinam. Local residents have expressed frustration at prolonged work and disruptions. Many small businesses and homeowners along ECR have been affected by infrastructure works. Some social commentary conveys the anxiety and inconvenience of losing property or facing restricted access during the widening works. In summary, the four-lane expansion of ECR from Chennai to Kanyakumari is advancing steadily but exhibits a mix of achievements and obstacles. Completed and nearly completed sections totaling nearly 100 kilometers demonstrate tangible progress, while central approval for additional packages signals future momentum. Construction timelines, influenced by land acquisition and environmental clearances, vary by segment. Key phases like the elevated corridor are being planned with ambitious targets, and southern segments continue to gain pace. Overall, while the full Chennai-Kanyakumari four-lane network is still some distance away, multiple sections are on track for completion within the next year or two, thereby promising a significantly enhanced coastal travel corridor soon.